collaborative learning, constructionist and or constructivist with Makey.
So collaboration fits as a 21st century skill from the World Economic Forum report on the literacies needed for learners.
Constructivism is based on the type of learning in which the learner forms or constructs much of what he or she learns or comprehends, as cited in Cashman et al. 2005. During our Makey session, we worked with the product to create
something new, and you can see by the body language in this slide that the collaboration is a little bit stilted, with an expert and a learner role being taken on.
In collaboration, partners do the work together.
And you can see that in this picture, if we reference it against the last, that the connection is becoming stronger and some more discussion and more parallel work ethic is developing.
The constructionist approach looks at the idea of learning by making, and these activities display qualities of learning richness.
And when we reflected on this, because we had a short time frame and an end point in mind, it certainly speeded up our learning by doing constructionist work ethic. Quite a lot of references, thanks.